In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar effectively to organize your time and schedule events seamlessly. Let's dive right in and start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Calendar. Once you're there, you'll notice the view can be customized. You can choose to display your schedule in a daily, weekly, or monthly format, whichever suits your needs best at the moment. Now that you've picked your preferred view, it's time to add an event. Look through your calendar and select the day you'd like to plan. Within that day, pinpoint the time slot that fits the event you've got in mind. With a simple click on that specific time slot, an event window will pop up. In this new window, you'll be able to adjust the time if your event's duration requires it. It's always a good practice to ensure your times are precise, allowing you and any participants a clear idea of the event's start and end. After the timing is sorted, give your event a descriptive title and any pertinent details that would be helpful for yourself and attendees, such as location, notes, or attached documents. Once you've filled in all the essential information, hit that save button. Congratulations, you've just scheduled an event. You'll find the event now appears on your chosen date and time, marked for easy visibility. Beyond individual events, Google Calendar allows you to manage multiple calendars simultaneously, a feature particularly useful for those juggling personal, work, and other commitments. If you need another calendar, look for the calendar sidebar on the left. Click on Add Other Calendars, which is conveniently located next to the Other Calendars option. Select Create New Calendar from the list. This option helps organize different aspects of your life separately yet simultaneously. When setting up your new calendar, you'll be prompted to provide a name and description. Be as specific as possible to ensure clarity whenever you're browsing through multiple calendars. A meaningful title goes a long way in organizing and accessing your schedules effectively. Finally, once you're satisfied with the details, click Create Calendar. In just a few steps, you've now got a brand new calendar to keep track of different activities. It's that simple. Now that you're equipped with the basics of Google Calendar, you should have a smooth experience managing time and tasks efficiently. Remember, centralizing all your events and schedules streamlines your productivity and can dramatically improve how you manage your daily and long-term tasks. Keep practicing these steps, and soon scheduling with Google Calendar will become second nature. Thanks for joining today, and happy organizing.